yo fuerte lo tropiezo. Me han enseñado a ser
Video de nuestro Reels, @mix1039. Me comenta y participa con las remix. Que Mix va contigo con remix.
Ahora, ¿qué más quiere que yo espere? Yo necesito...
What's up, guys? This is Mara in the streets of Barranquilla. I'm deep inside. I want to take you through this undercover way, you know? Meaning, I will not talk a lot and I'll just show you. Not too much. Gracias, man. So I want to take you through here like an undercover cop. Very discreet so that you guys can see what I'm experiencing on the ground. Please ensure give the video a like, subscribe. There's music playing everywhere, so maybe I'll have to change sometimes because of the music. But I want you guys to enjoy the video. Wow. So this is where it starts from. I just wanna cross. Whoa. This is oh. Oh shit. Sorry, I'm operating this. Alright, so yeah guys, I wanna cross the road and show you what Barranquilla is about. No talking, just ensure you enjoy the video. That's all. I think I'll have to force my way. Just like that. Because I don't feel like they're stopping here. Wow. So, I have no direction actually. I'm just walking randomly. Music everywhere. So we're gonna walk, man. This is a serious walk. Make sure you give the video a like. You subscribe to the channel. It's your boy Marwa. Once again. You see? As I take you through the real streets of Barranquilla. One of my favorite cities actually in Colombia. Somehow I love this city, man. I just love it. Very vibrant downtown. So, showing you reality.
Aile que me venga por acá, papá, y chicles, suerte que te visitas.
Atención, gente de Mix 103.9, les tengo un noticio, no. Ahora todos nuestros siguientes usuarios de Claro lo pueden escuchar.
So you can buy stuff going that side. That way also. Barranquilla.
Ven acá, venga, por pequeño, vamos al fondo, vamos a salir,
La mujer comió un saltadito y siempre pasa.
These are some of my favorite videos to shoot. Inside me, I boil a little bit with a lot of being nervous. At the same time, capturing stories like this is priceless, you know? Wow. Very priceless. Let's go. Barranquilla, downtown. One of my major videos or viral videos of Colombia have been shot here, okay? So it's amazing. It's really amazing. Like, I'm able to show you this. For me, at the same time, it's a blessing, man, to be here. I'm not doing something. As I already said, is in this video I will not talk too much. Please ensure from your side you give it a like, subscribe to the channel. These are some of my most amazing videos that I bring from the streets because I love them. I love the energy of people. I love the hustle of people. And I really like to show people what life is really like, you know. And this is one of my favorite way of shooting. They call them real streets. Please ensure you give the video a like, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man. I want to follow this guy. See? That's how you cross the road. Whew. This is one of the best churches here. You can see it's on top there. That's one of the iconic spots here. And you can save your money right there if you want guinea pig. But what I'm trying to say is this is Mara. This type of videos will be only 10 minutes to 12 minutes, no more than 15 minutes in other words. But the idea is just to show you what really life is like here. Real life, you know? That is my idea. This is Barranquilla. I want to go around this church and show you guys what this church is about. One thing you should notice is in Colombia, most people are Catholics and churches will be everywhere. And sometimes around these churches, you find all types of people there, you know? Yes. Wow. So this is my first video of real streets of Barranquilla, Colombia. I want you guys to give it a like and subscribe to the channel because we are going to 300,000 subscribers. It's gonna be a shame if man, you're watching this video, you've not subscribed, you can't give it a like, and your boy Mara, man, is taking a lot of risk in these real streets. Wow, it's been 2 years since I was here last. I love Colombia generally, and many people always ask me, Mara, what's the best place you recommend us to stay, or if you want to live? For me, it has always been Colombia, because this is like my second home. I always consider this place as second home. I want to do part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5 of real streets. Ensure you've subscribed to the channel, and I'm going to be taking you downtown, El Centro. So you see how life is, you know? This is how it is. I believe this could be a school. Yes, this could be a school. There's a church here. These are the doors of the church look like, you see? Yes. Anyway, from the beautiful Barranquilla streets, look how people transport here, man. Look at that side. See that? Something else, man. And also these bicycles, they remind me of Cuba. And that's one thing I've realized about Barranquilla. If you very keen about Barranquilla, is the lifestyle here is like Cuban, man. Yes. Anyway, I want to say thank you so much, and this is your boy Maro, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Ensure you subscribe so you don't miss the next video of I Am Maro. Bye.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
How much do I need to party here in Jamaica? What's up, guys? This is Mara coming live from New York City. We are in Hawaii.
We're at the Griffith Observatory in Los Angeles.
So I'm officially saying goodbye to Japan. As you see here, welcome to Japan.
¿Eres, Elisa?
Soy de España.
I'm heading to